Welcome to the land of the Igbo people, a nation steeped in rich history and culture. According to Igbo mythology, the people descended from the heavens, guided by divine forces that shaped their destiny. This celestial journey was not just a physical descent but a spiritual one, marking the beginning of a profound connection between the heavens and the earth. Led by the great god Chukwu, who is revered as the supreme deity in Igbo cosmology, the people were given wisdom and strength. Chukwu, in his infinite wisdom, provided them with the knowledge and tools necessary to thrive in their new home. He created the first Igbo man, Eri, who is considered the progenitor of the Igbo people. Eri was endowed with unique qualities and virtues, making him the ideal leader and a symbol of the divine connection between the Igbo people and their god. Eri was entrusted with the sacred task of establishing our great civilization. He laid the foundations of a society rich in culture, tradition, and values. Through his leadership, the Igbo people developed a deep sense of identity and purpose, which continues to influence their way of life to this day. Historical records suggest that the Igbo people migrated from the ancient NRI kingdom, a civilization known for its rich cultural heritage and advanced societal structures. Established around 900 AD, the NRI kingdom was a beacon of innovation and governance in West Africa. Their expertise in agriculture, artistry, and trade helped establish a thriving civilization. The Igbo people were not only skilled farmers, cultivating yams, cassava, and other crops, but they were also masterful artisans, creating intricate bronze sculptures and pottery. Their markets were bustling centers of commerce, where goods were exchanged and ideas were shared. This vibrant community laid the foundation for the rich cultural tapestry that defines the Igbo people today. The legacy of the NRI kingdom continues to influence modern Igbo society, showcasing a history of resilience, creativity, and innovation. The legend of Eri, the first Igbo man, has been passed down through oral tradition. His wisdom and leadership guided our ancestors, establishing the foundations of Igbo culture. The origins of the Igbo people remain a rich tapestry of myths, legends, and historical facts. From the ancient times, their history has been passed down through generations, blending oral traditions with documented events. These stories not only highlight their beginnings but also their journey through time. Their story is a testament to the resilience and creativity of a nation that has thrived for centuries. The Igbo people have faced numerous challenges, from colonialism to civil wars, yet they have always emerged stronger. Their cultural artifacts, vibrant community celebrations, and intricate crafts and arts are a reflection of their enduring spirit and innovative nature. The Igbo's ability to adapt and grow while preserving their rich heritage is truly remarkable. As we look to the future, the legacy of the Igbo people continues to inspire and influence, reminding us of the strength and beauty of their culture. Learn more about Igbo culture or subscribe for more videos.